Okay, we're on. This is a video about the girl species. We have come to know a lot more about them, and I am going to show you their life and give you a little details. Because, of course, I live with an annoying one, so I'll show you them. Here we see the girl species. Notice how they have slick bodies so they do not have very strong body parts. Notice how they are dumb and stupid as well. And this is some curiosity gets them into a lot of trouble. Anyway, back to subject 1. Notice their brains. Their brains are the size of Go run over there. Go run over there somewhere. Notice, since the brain is the size of a pea, they cannot think like normal boy species. And girls are, for example, here's the girl species in their natural habitat. Notice they carry large shovels, a former ritual in their native species. Here you can see 2 types of growth: city and country. The city is a little more civilized, while the country sloppy and disgusting. Notice the lack of control. Look at invisible ball. See, notice their dumbness. Invisible ball! I shall demonstrate. Would you go?
Go back to subject 2.
You are subject 2. Sorry for that mishap. Still having trouble with the country species where they are unfamiliar with the technology us boys inherit. Sorry. We are back again with these fascinating creatures. Notice how they fight over the pretzels. I shall get a better view.
This is called Danielle. We are acting and we speak.
Daddy, I'll have to delete that part now.
Hey, she's the one that's taking all the pretzels. You're not gonna own it.
Notice in this camera I have a translator, but I can only use it for a little while because it wears down my camera batteries.
Hi, my name is and that is and we are Christmas from the future. future. We need eye pretzels. We will be having eye pretzels. We will be having mouth pretzels. Read it first. Pretzels!
I turned the translator. Okay, I will turn the translator off now. Notice when we had the translator on that they are dim-witted, stupid head buttons. And this will be it for my documentary as we take one more glance at the girl species. And they start chasing me!